Hi, I'm Shihab, an international student of CDU pursuing Masters in Professional Accounting. In this video, I'm going to discuss in details about the tort law, specifically the law of trespass. So, firstly, let's discuss about the tort law. The word tort comes directly from the Latin term like tortus, uh, which means crooked, or twisted. In other words, wrong. It therefore makes sense that a tort is a civil wrong that occurs where somebody unfairly causes another person to suffer or to suffer loss or harm. The term tort usually refers to a particular actions that result in a civil legal complaint. Um, to, uh, this law aims to compensate, the plaintiff by putting them in a position um, and as similar as feasible to where they would have been if the tort had not been taken place. So now let's talk about the law of trespass, which I'm going to discuss in details today. That is one of the tort law that have been known many of us, and it is very common. So let's get started. So, if an individual intentionally or negligently interferes directly with the person or property of the plaintiff, they are committing the tort of trespass. Three basic types of trespass, like trespass to land, trespass to goods, and trespass to the person. So, the trespass to land, let's start with an example like Johnny commits the tort if he enters Simon's home without his permission, refuses to leave Simon's home within a reasonable time of being asked to do so, or he leaves some rubbish in Simon's property. So, typically, uh, trespass occurs if the defendant intentionally or negligently interferes directly with land in the rightful possession of the plaintiffs without the plaintiff's consent or a lawfully justified excuse. So, uh, this is it about the trespass to trespass to the land, and another one is trespass to the goods. Like the there are also three types of trespass to the goods, like trespass to the goods, the first one, and the conversion and detinue. Like the trespass to goods is like the defendant commits trespass to goods by directly and intentionally or negligently interfering with goods in the plaintiff's possession without their consent. For an example, like Johnny commits the tort of trespass to goods if, without Simon's permission, he takes something from Simon or handles or uses something in Simon's possession. It is not necessary to prove that the goods are damaged in any way. The conversion is like the act of conversion involves deliberate interference with the plaintiff's good in a manner that contradicts their ownership or rightful possession of the goods. Uh, the third one is trespass to the person. Trespass to the person is direct and intentional or negligent interference with the person of the plaintiff. That like there are also three forms of trespass to the person, like battery, assault, or false imprisonment. So that's it. That's all from my side. These are the some major topics uh, uh, of one of the tort law, uh, like the law of trespass, that has been discussed. So hope you have enjoyed this learning, and hope to see you soon. Goodbye.